Hi guys, I'm Titus and I will show how to get money in Just Tornadoes 2. The radar is one important friend to you, so you will need him a lot. I will time-lapse this part because it's mooch boring. I think this went wrong. I'll cut to a weaker tornado. So I will show the basic. While I explain this, the video in the corner will guide you through buying probes from the shop. See this shop cart button? Click and him to open the shop. Ups. You select a probe and buy it. Now with the probe, you look in the radar and go intercept a tornado. I will show a footage of me intercepting a tornado. Look! I almost forgot. Deploy is the more important part. It was everything, guys. Bye!